Hey traders, this is X Viper TV and welcome back to the channel. Ever feel like you're chasing trades too late or getting stopped out right before the market reverses? In our last video, we broke down how to read candlestick patterns so you could anticipate market shifts before they happen. But if you don't understand where those shifts are likely to occur, then you're still trading blind. Today, we're building on that foundation by showing you how to draw clean support and resistance zones, how to identify real trends, and how to use trend lines to level up your analysis. So let's jump right in. Now, before we get started, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and you should definitely trade at your own risk. Now, what are support and resistance zones? Support and resistance zones are key areas where price tends to react. Support is where price finds a floor. Buyers step in and push price back up. Resistance is where price finds a ceiling. Sellers step in and drive price back down. These aren't always exact lines. They're better viewed as zones because price doesn't always turn on a dime. Instead, it often wicks into an area and reverses. Now let's go into how to draw support and resistance zones. Look for areas where price has bounced multiple times. That's a good sign of valid support or resistance. Zoom out to higher time frames to find major zones, then refine them on lower time frames. Use candle wicks and bodies to mark zones. If there's a tight cluster of reactions, draw a box around the area. Always ask, did price hesitate, reverse, or consolidate here before? Example 1. After a pullback during an uptrend, price tapped into a zone that had held as support twice before. A longer wick showed buyers stepping in again. That's a clear sign to watch for confirmation to enter long. Example 2. During a rally, price reached an area where it previously reversed sharply. A bearish engulfing candle formed, signaling that sellers were defending that area. That resistance zone became a short opportunity. Now we'll go into how to spot market trends. To spot a trend, you need to look at a sequence of price swings. An uptrend is defined by higher highs and higher lows. A downtrend is defined by lower highs and lower lows. A range or consolidation is when price moves sideways without clear highs or lows breaking in one direction. Always start from a higher time frame to get the bigger picture. A 5-minute downtrend might just be a pullback in the 4-hour uptrend. Trend lines help you track momentum and structure. To draw an uptrend line, connect 2 or more higher lows. Extend the line forward. This becomes a potential area of support. To draw a downtrend line, connect 2 or more lower highs. Extend the line forward. This becomes potential resistance. Use the wick of the candles for precision structure. The more touches a trend line has, the more valid it becomes. Example, price made 2 clear higher lows on a strong move up. Drawing a trend line across those lows gave us a perfect reaction point on the 3rd touch. Price respected the line and bounced hard. That gave us a clean long setup. Example 2, downtrend line. Connecting 2 lower highs after a breakdown gave us a clean descending trend line. When price retraced to it and formed a rejection candle, it set up a great short with confluence. Now here are a few tips. Always draw your zones and trend lines based on clear, reactive price action. Combine these tools with candlestick patterns, market structure, and volume for confluence. Avoid clutter. Only draw what is relevant to your trade idea. And lastly, don't rely on lines alone. They're tools, not signals. Now, in the next video, we're going to go deeper into support and resistance by learning how to use supply and demand zones to understand where smart money is positioning, so you can trade with institutions and not against them. Now, this video helped you understand how to draw support and resistance, spot trends, and use trend lines for more confluence. Drop a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. And let me know down in the comments which part helped you the most. Or if you're still struggling, I'll personally reply. This is X Viper TV. Thanks for watching and happy trading.